Ivrzliang Zl8231L. It is a Catii 600V multimeter. It DC watt is 0.1 milliwatt to 600V, and AC watt is 0.1 milliwatt to 600V. In auto wing, it is 0.5 watt to 600V, and DC watt in auto wing also 0.5 watt to 600V. Resistor is 0.1 ohm to 60 mega ohm. Capacitor is 2 nanofarad to 100 megafarad. DCM 10 milliamp to 10 amp. ACM 10 milliamp to 10 amp. Continuity less than 50 ohm may be B sound on. Let's see the meter. It made by Ivrzliang. And this meter is made in China. It's a more size meter. Come with 2 AAA battery and a Chinese user manual and a protection card. And a repair card. The model is a Ivrzliang Zl8231L of this meter. Okay, let's see the user menu first. It only Chinese. And only have more pace of this one. And then have a chip test pen, protect with a cap. It use a normal 4mm jet. Okay, let's see the meter. There's a whole key and the backlight. There's a NCV and the top. The top is in this way. And there's a power on and select key. There's comport. There's a watt. Continuity capacitor port, input port, and there's an M port. This meter is a 6,000 count. Okay, let's see the meter function. DC reference test. 2.5 watt. ISO 2.506. 5 watt ISO 5.016 watt. 7.5 watt ISO 7.52 watt. 10 watt ISO 10.03 watt. Okay, DC reference test finished. Let's see the AC wattage. This meter shows 223.5 watt. Okay, let's see another function. Okay, we test the meter of the test lead first. That is 1.1 ohm. And test resistor 1 ohm. It shows 2.1, 10 ohm. It shows 11.2, 10.04K. It shows 10.1K, 20.02K. It shows 20.11K ohm, 100.6K. It shows 101.3K, 0.5K. It shows 511.1 ohm. It's okay. 1.997 meg. It shows 2.007 meg. 5.09 meg. It shows 5.03 meg. It's okay. 10.87 meg. It shows 10.7 meg. 22.3 meg. It shows 22 meg. Okay. Let's see another function. They have another function is testing the capacitor. Now try it. It shows 1.152 megafarad. That's 1000. It's okay. Another one, a more one. It's 10 μF. It's so 10.8 μF. It's okay. And this meter know the diode function. It cannot light up any LED. Let's test. It cannot light up. Okay. Let's see the dB of this meter. It's about 64 or 60 dB, this meter. And let's see the latching. If so far no waveform. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's low of the response. Okay, let's see another function. This meter, another function is NCV and the torque. Now see the torque, but this one have a torque but very dim. Another is a hold key and the backlight. Now hold key, hold. When long part is a backlight on. Short part is a hold. Let's see the hold function. There's a battery. Then when we hold the battery voltage, 9.4 V. Okay. Let's see the meter current test. By pressing this in the M function. And we see the more current now. It shows 0.02 M. It's okay because it is 20 milliamp. Okay. And let's see the higher current. Now it's 2.997 M. It shows 2.96 M. Okay. This test finished. Let's see NCV. The long part of this one to the EF function. When near about 2 cm, they have 1 bar. Near 1 cm, about 2 bar. Super lead is a 3 bar. No anymore. When touched, is 4 bar. Let's see the cable. Knee is 1 bar. Contact is 4 bar. It very weight of this meter. Okay. Meter T down. They have a soft K. And then there's a meter. Let's open it. There is inside the meter. No any shielding. There's a battery cover. Let's see inside. Let's have a more circuit board. Okay, let's open it. The inside no more screw inside it. That is a NCV cable. When you open it, there is an inside part. There only one puff. What is this? This solid inside this. Oh. There is the backside of this meter. Backside is no any part inside. Only a skin. It's a skin. LCD display. NCV antenna, LED, backlight module, and the IC, transistor, main IC, relay, control relay, and the circuit board, and the buzzer, PTC, no another. Open, finish. Okay. Let's see the backside again. Okay. NCV test. But put on this one, long put. Here about 2 cm. Have one bar. When near have 2 bar or 3 bar. Or 4 bar max. Is sensitivity of this meter.